For all positive values of a, b, c, and d, when 1/2 a b squared plus c equals d, which of the following expressions is equal to b? Don't freak out about all these letters. This is just saying, hey, how can I rewrite this so it's b equals instead of d equals? Well, this is Algebra 1. This is not tough stuff. If there's anything tough about it, it's just that it's full of letters. It's alphabet soup, but we can handle that. I want to get b by itself. And the first thing we need to do is subtract c from both sides. So when we do that, we get 1/2 ab squared equals d minus c. Okay, that's Algebra 1. You can handle that. Next thing, I'd love to get rid of that a and the 1/2. I'll just do one at a time. I could do them both at the same time, but anyway, I'll just do one at a time. And so I'm going to get rid of the 1/2. If I'm multiplying, so on the left side here, this is 1/2 times a times b squared. So I need to divide by 1/2. Dividing by 1/2 is the same as multiplying by 2. I'm going to say that again. Dividing by 1/2 is the same as multiplying by 2. And if you don't believe me, you can grab your calculator and run a test run. But when I divide both sides by 1/2, I'm going to get, so it will go away on the left side. 1/2 is gone. And then it's 2 times d minus c. It's 2 times all of that. So I need to use those parentheses carefully. If I look over on my left side at my possible answers, I'll bet it's not h and I'll bet it's not j because they don't have, and honestly, I'll bet it's not f. I'll bet my answer is g and I'm not even close to done. My answer is probably going to be 2 times d minus c, and the only answer that has that is g. Let's go ahead and finish her up. To go further, I need to divide both sides by a, and I'll get b squared equals 2 times d minus c over a. And then that's what b squared equals. If I take the square root of both sides, I'm going to get b equals 2d minus c over a, the square root of 2 times d minus c over a, which is the answer g, just as we suspected. So on the day of the test, if you have some confidence in what you're doing, you don't have to solve every problem all the way out. You can solve them far enough that you can rule out the wrong answers. And we could have stopped right here. We could have just stopped with this and been able to say, actually, we could have, before we even divided by a, we could have just stopped at that point there. 2 times d minus c. There's only one answer with that as part of its solution. That g is the answer. Nicely done.